With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here we have question given that 1 alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha 2016 are 2017th root of unity. Then the value of summation r equals to 1 to 2016 r ar plus a 2017 minus r will be equal to minus 2016 minus 2017 or 2016. Okay, so coming to the solution, as we have given the term is this one, 1 alpha 1 alpha 2 up to so on alpha 2016. So we will let the sum be equals to, let s and b the sum, which will be equals to 1 multiplied by alpha 1 plus alpha 2016 plus twice alpha 2 plus alpha 2015 plus up to so on, it can be written as 2016 alpha 2016 plus alpha 1. Okay, now we also know that sum is equals to, sum is equals to 2016 into alpha 2016 plus alpha 1 plus 2015 alpha 2015 plus alpha 2 up to so on. We will get it like this, twice of alpha 2 plus alpha 2015 plus 1 dot alpha 2016 plus alpha 1. So let this be equation number 1 and let this be equation number 2. Okay, so writing in reverse order, we get this one. We just write the Sn in the reverse order. Okay, so on adding equation 1 and 2, we will get twice of s is equals to 2017 into twice of alpha 1 plus alpha 2 up to so on plus alpha 2016. Now also simplifying it, we will get it like this, 2017 into twice of 1 plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus up to so on alpha 2016 minus 1. What we did, we just plus and minus 1. Okay, so solving it, we will get it like this, 2s is equals to this term, this one will be equals to 0. So we will get 2s is equals to 2 times 2017, because this complete term will be equals to 0. Okay, now we will get this, so s will be equals to 2017, which is the desired answer for the given question. That is option number C is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.